And here's all the ingredients ready to roll. That's the nuts already crushed, ready to go. And the peach concentrate, right, Dee?
No, it's just peaches blended up. I did them ahead of time yesterday so I wouldn't have to get the blender out again today.
Okay, so now what is the goal of making peach bread? Why are you doing it now?
I make a lot of peach bread and then I will freeze it and put it in the freezer for the holidays, or when we get company. It's easy just to go down and pull something out of the freezer instead of trying to make something real quick.
Here's what it looks like, all mixed up.
I use different size pans for different occasions. Um, and the smaller ones are usually gifts. The larger ones are for the holidays.
The flour so it doesn't stick.
Yep. And then I just keep doing them.
One after another. Okay. Here's what they look like. Here's what they look like when they come out of the oven cooling down. Like the one homesteader said, if you had smell-o-vision, you'd be wanting to bake them right away. All right, here's the finished product. My wife is wrapping these up for later on in the year. And as you see, she saved me a piece. So she's gonna let me take a bite. And I'm not gonna show you me eating, but I'm gonna take a bite. Oh my lands. That is so good. Now usually when we have one like this that's cut, we'll put it on a plate with some butter and we'll watch our favorite homesteaders and have a great snack.